My child, I see what you've been carrying inside. You've tried to stay strong, but there are moments when fear whispers louder than faith. There are moments when loneliness surrounds you like a shadow. There are moments when you wonder if anyone truly understands what you feel, what you think, or what you're walking through. But hear me, you are not walking alone. I am closer than the fear you're fighting. I am nearer than the pain you're healing from. I am with you in every breath, every step, every silent tear, and every unseen battle. My child, there have been moments recently when you looked around and wondered where I was. Moments when your heart felt quiet, when your prayers felt unanswered, when your spirit felt distant, and when the world around you felt louder than my voice. You questioned your strength, your faith, and sometimes even your purpose, not because you stopped believing in me, but because you were weary, because you were tired of carrying what felt too heavy for one heart. But listen to me. You have never walked a single step alone. Not one moment of your journey has been without my presence. Not one season of your pain has gone unseen. Not one prayer has gone unheard. Not one tear has fallen unnoticed. Even in the moments when you couldn't feel me, I was there. Even in the silence, I was speaking. Even in the waiting, I was working. Even in the confusion, I was guiding you. You may think my presence is only found in the loud moments, the breakthroughs, the miracles, the emotional encounters, but my presence is strongest in the quiet, in the stillness, in the breath between your fears and your faith, in the space where you're unsure, but you keep going anyway. That is where I am closest. You've mistaken silence for absence, but silence is often where I heal you the deepest. You've mistaken waiting for abandonment, but waiting is where I strengthen what is weak. You've mistaken stillness for inactivity, but stillness is where I prepare what is coming. You are not alone. You are being held. There are battles you faced that no one knows about, but I saw them. There are thoughts that tried to overwhelm you, but I protected your mind. There are nights when fear tried to control you, but I stayed close until peace returned. There are situations that could have broken you, but they didn't, because my hand never left you. Sometimes you didn't understand why certain doors closed. Sometimes you didn't understand why you had to walk through seasons of loneliness. Sometimes you didn't understand why the people you trusted could not stay. But child, loneliness is not always a loss. Sometimes it is a pathway to deeper connection with me. If everyone remained, you would not have learned that I am enough. If every door opened easily, you would not have learned to depend on my timing. If every plan worked the way you imagined, you would not have learned to trust my wisdom over your understanding. I know there were moments when you said, God, do you see me? God, do you hear me? God, do you care? And my answer has always been, yes, I see you. Yes, I hear you. Yes, I care more deeply than you know. You don't have to be the strongest. You don't have to pretend you're okay. You don't have to carry everything by yourself. You don't have to hide your fears from me. I don't love you because you are perfect. I love you because you are mine. And nothing, not fear, not doubt, not failure, not loneliness, can separate you from my love. I am closer than every anxious thought, closer than every racing heartbeat, closer than every quiet tear, closer than every fear that tries to rise. When you feel overwhelmed, I am your calm. When you feel uncertain, I am your guide. When you feel weak, I am your strength. When you feel alone, I am your companion. You don't need to have all the answers to rest in me. You don't need to feel strong to be held by me. You don't need to know the full plan to trust the one who wrote it. I am walking with you. I am carrying what you can't. I am protecting what you can't see. I am preparing what you're waiting for. So breathe, not because everything is perfect, but because you are not facing anything alone. You are surrounded by my presence. You are covered by my grace. You are held by my love, and I will never let you go. My child, now that your heart is listening, hear this truth. You have never walked one step without me surrounding you. My presence does not follow you from a distance. My presence does not watch from far away. My presence goes before you to prepare the path. My presence walks beside you to steady your steps, and my presence stands behind you to protect what you cannot see. There is no moment in your life where you are unseen by me. There is no situation you face where you are unsupported. You may feel alone, but your feelings are not the truth. My presence is. Before you enter any situation, I am already there. Before you face any decision, I already know the outcome. Before fear whispers its lies, my voice speaks assurance. You have faced things that looked impossible. You have walked through seasons that tried to overwhelm you. You have survived battles that others never knew existed. And yet, you're still here, not because of your strength alone, but because my strength has carried you. There were moments you said, I can't do this anymore. But even then, you kept going, not because you felt brave, but because I gave you courage when you had none left. There were nights when tears were your prayer, nights when silence was your only expression, nights when fear felt louder than hope. But even then, you weren't abandoned. I sat with you in the quiet. I guarded your heart. I kept your spirit from collapsing. You thought you were alone, but you were held. Sometimes the enemy tried to convince you that my silence meant distance, but my silence was never disconnection. It was protection. It was strategy. It was preparation. It was me working in places you could not see yet. When you didn't feel me, I was still guiding you. When you didn't hear me, I was still speaking to your spirit. When you didn't understand, I was still aligning everything for your good. Loneliness made you look at life through the lens of fear, but I am teaching you to look at life through the lens of faith. Faith says, I am never alone. I am never without help. I am never without direction. I am never without love. Fear tells you that you're abandoned, but faith reminds you that my love is constant. You don't have to worry about who left, because I remain. You don't have to fear who didn't stay, because I never walk away. You don't have to cling to temporary support, because my support is eternal. I am your stability in shifting seasons. I am your strength in weak moments. I am your comfort in quiet tears. I am your anchor when emotions rise. You may feel lonely, but you are never alone. There will come a day when you will look back at this chapter, and instead of remembering only the weight of it, you will remember my presence in it. You will say, I didn't walk through that season by myself. I wasn't abandoned. I was surrounded. I wasn't forgotten. I was protected. I wasn't lost. I was being guided. I wasn't alone. God was with me the entire time. And child, that day is coming. Soon you will notice signs of my nearness again. Peace will return where anxiety tried to build a home. Hope will rise where hopelessness tried to settle. Strength will grow where weakness once lived. Faith will lift you where fear once held you down. These shifts won't be forced. They will unfold gently, naturally, beautifully, because my presence is not fragile. My presence is steady. My presence is strong. My presence is faithful. And even now, you are wrapped in it. My child, as you walk forward from this moment, remember what I am saying now. My presence will never leave you, not in your highest moments, not in your lowest valleys, not in seasons of certainty, and not in seasons of confusion. I remain the constant when everything else shifts. I remain the anchor when emotions change. I remain faithful when people are uncertain. I remain present even when your heart feels disconnected. You never have to earn my presence. You never have to beg for me to stay. You never have to fear that I will walk away. My love does not depend on your perfection. It is rooted in my promise. I do not withdraw when you struggle. I do not leave when you are hurting. I do not distance myself when you are afraid. I do not step back when you feel lost. Instead, I draw closer when your heart is heavy. I move nearer when your voice trembles. I listen deeper when your mind battles fear. I speak peace when your strength fades. I become your strength. I am not just with you when you feel strong. I am with you especially when you don't. There will be seasons when you feel confident in your steps, and I will walk with you as your guide. There will be seasons when your steps feel uncertain, and I will walk with you as your support. There will be seasons when your spirit grows quiet, and I will walk with you as your comfort. There will be seasons when your heart feels broken, and I will walk with you as your healer. No matter how the season changes, my presence remains the same. You don't need to know every answer. You only need to know I am here. You don't need to see the whole future. You only need to trust that I am leading you. You don't need to feel confident all the time. You only need to know that I will hold you when you cannot carry yourself. There will come a day when everything you worried about will feel small in comparison to what I did for you. A day when fear will not decide your steps. A day when peace will guard your thoughts. A day when confidence will rise in your spirit. A day when joy will return in fullness. And when that day comes, you will realize that even in the hardest seasons, you were never alone. You will see that every silent night, every lonely tear, every fearful thought, every quiet prayer, they were all held by me. I was with you even when you didn't feel me. I was guiding you even when you didn't see it. I was strengthening you even when you felt weak. I was protecting you even when you were unaware. And now, I want to speak into your heart in a way that settles every worry and calms every fear. You are safe in my presence. You are seen in my presence. You are supported in my presence. You are surrounded by my love. You are never alone. Not now. Not ever. So breathe slowly and let peace settle deeper than fear. Let hope rise stronger than doubt. Let rest come where anxiety tried to live. Let my nearness become your confidence. My presence is not temporary. It is eternal. My love is not fragile. It is unwavering. My commitment to you is not conditional. It is everlasting. I am with you. I am for you. I am holding you. I am guiding you. I am protecting you. And I will never let you walk alone. My child, I am placing peace upon you now. Where worry once lived, I am bringing calm. Where fear tried to control your thoughts, I am replacing it with confidence and rest. Where loneliness tried to speak lies, I am surrounding you with the awareness of my presence. I am strengthening the places where you feel weak. I am calming the thoughts that overwhelm you. I am filling every empty space with my love, my peace, and my reassurance. You will not walk alone. You will not battle alone. You will not face life without my presence beside you. Day and night, I am with you, guiding you, protecting you, comforting you, and giving you rest. Let your heart be still. Let your mind be quiet. Let your spirit receive my peace. You are safe in me. If this message touched your heart, type Lord. I know you are with me in the comments. Like this video if you felt God speak through it. Subscribe to God's Amen message for more daily comfort and encouragement. Share this with someone who feels alone. Remind them God is closer than their fear.